Very good morning, all. Uh, Today we'll see how to install centos operating system onto our virtual box environment. Okay, so I already installed the virtual box into my system, and this is how it looks. We don't have an existing operating system in it now. Now, using this particular link, I have downloaded CentOS 7x8664 DVD 1908 ISO file. Okay, so this is also I've already installed into my system. This is where I have, right. So now what I'm doing, I'm just trying to add this CentOS into my virtual box environment. So let me type CentOS and keep an ISO image file. So in my case, ISO image file is in D drive, subject VCC folder. Yeah, this is the ISO file. I have taken it. By default, it is a Red Hat type and the version is 64-bit. Now just click on finish. Then it will take some time to get into this virtual box. Okay. So we have to wait for some time. This is the virtual box I have used. We don't require too many softwares for this. We just require two softwares. One is Archive VirtualBox and another one is CentOS. The two CentOS 7 version we are considering for 64-bit. You can also do like this. You can go here, take the path. So let me go to choose a disk, go to VCC, select ISO file, open. It is already displayed. Okay. Then go to the settings, go to networks. NAT is there. We can also change it into print adapter. Then system. By default floppy is there. Just I'm moving optical into and I can increase up to 4 GB. And now, yeah. So I have installed this, and just if you click on start, VM virtual box getting installed. You can close this, use your mouse and close this into button, then use your keyboard and select test this media and install. Just enter. It will take some time, not an issue. just select English, capture English, click on continue. Yes, date and time, keyboard, first select date and time, select Kolkata or Mumbai or New Delhi, today's date, done. Keyboard, language, installation source, local media, software selection, installation destination, automatic partitioning, select 20 GB, add, then you will find begin installation. See, right? You observe, right? Then click on begin installation. Then the installation begin. Of course, it will take some time, but let it be. Almost 70% completed installation. You can create as a user, or you can continue without that even. And a root password you can create. You can also keep it as it is. some configuration. I can keep a strong password. This one thing, root. Just create a root password and then click on finish. Okay. So only two softwares are Kill VirtualBox and another one is centos. That's it. Okay. Make sure the host system that you are installing is VirtualBox as well as centos. Before that, make sure your BIOS settings for the virtualization must be enabled. Okay, so then only it will accept. Otherwise, what happens? It will ask us to go with the enabling option from disable. Okay, so centos is now successfully installed and ready for the usage, and go ahead with the reboot and start. Just I'm using the reboot option here. Okay, yeah. So it is rebooting, and this is a compulsory step. Okay, so these are two options here. You can just go ahead with the first one. So my localhost login is ROOT. This is the default root and the password that you have customized. So now I can see ls commands. All the Linux operating system commands can be useful here. So see here, these instructions are very important. The right control you're supposed to use to come out from the VirtualBox environment. Remember this. Once you want to enter into a VirtualBox environment, then you can just use this capture. So it will be inside the VirtualBox. Now if you want to come out, use control right side part from your keyboard. So you came out, see? And if you again want to go, you can just go by clicking the capture. Now for example, mkdir. Okay, so folder I am creating Naresh. Like I have created mkdir Naresh folder, and to change my directory I am using Naresh. Okay, come out. You can use cd space dot. Now if you enter ls, then it will show you all the directories and files in it. Now if you want to write something, you can write something like lab1.txt, let us say. So hi, welcome to lab1 and control D. Now if you type cat space lab1.txt, it will display. Now if you type ls, that lab1.txt is displayed, right? Similarly, if you want to update something into the existing one, so you can use this. And today we are going to discuss virtualization concept. Okay. Now if you want to just check it out, 2 lines you got, right? So like that, you can do a lot of works with the help of Linux. Okay, so in the description I will provide the links, as well as I will provide some basic Linux commands, right? You can type pwd to know the present working directory. For example, you have changed it into Naresh folder. When you type pwd, it will show you where exactly you are. And if you type cd space dot, then it will take you back to one step. Like you can use date command, you can use calendar command, you can use a number of options like installation. Like that, so many are there. That's all for this lab. Okay. Thank you very much. And I want to come out from this virtual box. So what I have to do, I have to press Control right side part. So thank you.